Get ready for another Power Hour clean. Today's Power Hour is super motivating, and also I want y'all to set your alarms if you want to clean along with us today. This video is also in collab with a good friend. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in just a second.
I've heard all the lies, but
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is a Power Hour with my friend Faith. We are both from North Carolina, and I'm so excited to be doing this Power Hour with her.
Hey y'all, it's Faith from Faith's Life. I want to welcome you to my channel. My channel is about cleaning motivation, mom life, lifestyle. I am from North Carolina. I am so happy to do this collaboration with Kimi. I am hoping you will come over to my channel and get a ton of motivation, hopefully to get your day started and get your cleaning done. So come check me out after you're done watching Kimi Cope's video.
So I hope this video is super motivating for y'all to get up and clean. And if you want to clean with us, go ahead, pause the screen right now, write down your list of what you want to get done, set that timer, and let's get going.
gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want that.
Today we are starting out in the kitchen. It is a little bit messy. I did not put the dishes away last night, and there's stuff always on the counters. So we're going to get this cleaned up real fast, and then we're going to move on to the living room. And I'm excited. I'm finally showing y'all actual before and afters. I always forget to show you that. So I hope that motivates you even more today while you're cleaning along with me, or while you're watching before to get motivated to clean. It's always good to find a little money when you're cleaning, isn't it?
You can make it too. It's not says who. You can make it. You had great.
These pink chairs seem to be the collect-all spot in our house, so let me know down below, where is your collect-all station? Honestly, we probably have more than one, but I'm going to go ahead and move these things out of the way. And these shoes are hilarious. I have to use both hands to push in the chair, so I'm just like randomly carrying these little slippers around with me, but I promise they do get put away.
Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much.
And if you're curious, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mum scent. I love that scent. If you love floral scented cleaning sprays, this one is really good, and it's not too strong either.
A little crazy.
And the room spray is also Mrs. Meyer's in the honeysuckle scent.
To go on a fast. I need this night to last.
The kitchen is looking so much better. It is crazy how quickly you can turn a room around and make it look all nice and clean again. I just felt like showing y'all my tier tray and my spring decor. I'm thinking of changing it up really soon, so if you like decorating videos, stick around, because I'm sure I'm going to have one in the next month.
I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Alright, if you're cleaning with me, I have 48 minutes and 33 seconds left.
I don't mind a little crazy.
So we're moving on to the living room. This is just an everyday little mess right here, but I do want to do something with all these cords and this computer that Aaron has on his side of the room. Also, I'm aware that this video is only 14 minutes long, and we are doing a Power Hour. So if you are just now watching my video and you haven't watched Faith's video yet, after this video you can go watch her video, and then I know we both have tons of cleaning videos in our backlog, so after that you can just watch some more of our cleaning videos.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light.
So I don't know about y'all, but my husband seems to have a lot of tiny little knickknacks that he likes. Batteries, vaping mods, oh my goodness, cords, electrical stuff. Like, and I really am lost. I don't know how to organize it because I don't even know what I am looking at, but I am moving on to vacuuming the living room, and I need to get behind this little island right here, which is something I don't do very often. I need to do it a little bit more, but let me know, like, what is something you have trouble organizing? Maybe it is your kids' stuff, maybe it's your husband's stuff, or maybe it's your wife's stuff. Like, what is it for you?
All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my.
And the living room is looking so much better now that I got those things picked up off the floor. My computer just lives in that spot because I am always sitting here editing a video for y'all. But we are at the halfway mark of this video, so I know if you've made it this far, you are feeling extra motivated now to get up and clean if you haven't already. So I'm curious to know what you clean when you watch these videos or you listen to these videos in the background. What are you cleaning today?
Try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever
I am moving on to my bedroom. Y'all, surprise, surprise, I did not make my bed this morning. I wanted to do it just for y'all. So I hope that's motivating for you. How many times can I say motivating in a video? Also, our bathroom, I did not pick up after myself after I did my makeup. So we have got some things to tackle in these two rooms. Let's just go ahead, get it done. Y'all, I swear, doing these power hours or like a 15-minute timer, clean with me, see how much we can get done in a room, it is super motivating to me because I realize when the timer is on, I try to get the most I can done, and then when I'm done with the timer, I look back and I'm like, wow, like I have cleaned 5 different rooms already, and it just took 1 hour. That's insane. So sometimes setting that timer is just the motivation that we need to get things done. Some tasks seem like they're going to take a really long time, but when we really get into it, it takes just a few minutes. So I just encourage you today, if you have a hard time cleaning or you just can't find the motivation, to set a timer and see what you can get done in a certain amount of time, and I bet you will be so surprised with how much you were able to accomplish.
I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close.
I find the most random things laying around in our bedroom. I had a lint brush, I had a dryer snake thing, oh, I had a cookbook. Like, I don't know how this happens, but it happens. Also, I definitely need to paint that wall.
I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for
Alright, we are in the bathroom now. I'm going to declutter and clean in here. Also, I'm going to pick up all my mess. But I noticed that our counter was starting to look a little bit cluttered, so I decided to redo it, and I was left with literally just the little palm plant and a candle, which it turned out really clean looking. Also, you will see me in a little bit wipe down the counter and then wipe down my toilet, and I use the Method Toilet Bowl liquid stuff in there. I love it. It has a nozzle that makes it super easy to clean around the ring of your toilet. And I'm going to leave it in there instead of scrubbing it and just let it do its job, because I use another wand to do the scrubbing.
Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do. Mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is for my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do. Mess with my
So like I said, I'm going to let that sit in there and soak. And y'all, I know you couldn't see it later, but when I went to use the bathroom a little bit ago, I noticed that it did a great job and I didn't even have to scrub. It just did the cleaning itself. I also use it's like this stick thing that you can wedge the goo stuff on the side of your commode, and every time you flush, a little bit of that cleaner cleans your toilet for you, which is very cool. So we have 8 minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and fold some laundry that was in my dryer. I didn't have enough laundry today to do a load in the wash, but I'm sure I will be washing some clothes in the next clean with me, so just stay tuned to that if you like laundry motivation. But I hope so far this video is super motivating for you. We've got a few minutes left, so still some time to get some more motivation in, but I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you are, subscribe if you are new, comment down below, do all those fun things. And also, if you don't want to miss when I upload videos, then hit the notification bell and click all. That way you can see when I post new videos.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough.
Alright y'all, I know the air conditioner's on, but it's hot, I'm sweaty. Some of y'all asked, how do you not get sweaty and stuff with makeup on? I do, but I like to look professional, so that's why I wear makeup. Okay, so 20 seconds left. Also, it makes me like feel more confident. So yeah, trust me. I would be no face every day if I was like, yeah, let's take a thumbnail. But I like to feel, you know, I like to feel good. So, we're done. We're done. We did it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Seriously, do it. If you cleaned along with me and Faith today, you did a great job. Especially if you cleaned for an hour straight. You did awesome. We got so much done, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you did clean along with us. And be sure to go check out Faith's video if you have not already subscribed to her channel. She does a ton of cleaning motivation, and I think she mentioned that she uploads on Mondays and Fridays. And I normally don't upload on Monday. So if you want someone to watch on Monday, go watch Faith and you can watch both of us on Fridays. Okay, that's it. I don't want to keep y'all any longer. I hope you have a great day. Bye.
Chasing